Okay, so the recipe that I sent out makes about this amount of dough. I had to add a little bit more plain flour to stop it being too sticky. I think we had the same problem with our biscuit dough, didn't we? Okay, so what I need you to do is to divide it in half 4 times. Okay, so number 1, I'm going to try and make it 2 equal pieces. Okay, so that's our first cut. We've got 3 more cuts. Okay, so now we're going to divide it in half again. Half again, that's our second cut. Put that piece aside, just keep this 1 half. So that's our second cut. Our third cut, I'm going to divide in half again. That's our third cut, and now we're going to do our fourth cut. So our fourth, divide in half for the 4th time. Okay, so this little piece that you've got left, you need to divide into 3. So it's sometimes easier if you make it into a little bit of a sausage, cut it into 3. Might be best for you to use a dinner knife, but do ask first. Okay, so I'm going to roll those, just to check my sizes. I'm going to roll those 3 pieces into little balls just to check they're about equal. They look okay. So I'm just going to keep 1 of those balls, and then I'm going to ball up everything else. I'm going to squodge and squidge everything else that's left into 1 ball. Okay. So that, I know it's not very even, but this bigger ball is your Earth, and this little one is the Moon, relative to the size of the Earth. If the Earth was that size, the Moon would be that size, and it's a lot smaller than you think, isn't it? So your task is to try and work out how far away they would be. This is the Earth and this is the Moon. Do you think this far apart? This far apart? You need to have a think about that using the slides to work out how far apart they need to be.